Hello, I'm going to show you how to install a login box with Facebook support. So we go to plugins, add new, upload the zip we get from Code Canyon, activate it, we'll see the new options here, but these are for customizing. We go to menus. Let's presume we have a menu, and yeah, here we enter login hashtag login/box and any label we want. And here is our button. When clicking we'll get the login if we are not logged in, of course. So it's very easy to integrate in the menu. You can also integrate it in the post. Just enter this.